Today we had consultative meetings with the representatives of the political parties and the contesting candidates, and even the representatives of the traditional heads. They have also came and expressed their concerns with regard to this imposition of 144, particularly that point number 5 of 144 restricting the processions and rallies across the East Kasif district. So we have taken note of their concerns, and because in the last 2 or 3 days also this is being expressed by different stakeholders. So we have taken decision, in fact, that orders will issue on Monday, but we have taken decision to relax that particular part of 144 order, point number 5, so that they have that part can be relaxed. So at the same time, we have appealed to the political parties to cooperate with the district administration, and when they organize any victory processions, to give it in writing in terms of the route that they will take up, and to take measures from their side in terms of deploying volunteers from their side, and taking all measures to ensure that no untoward incident happens during these processions and rallies. So at the same time, so what I would like to affirm is that after consulting with all the stakeholders, we have taken this decision. But at the same time, we would like to appeal to all people and all people of the district and political parties is to ensure that they have to support the district administration and cooperate with the district administration in terms of maintenance of the law and order. And if there is any violation in terms of creating any law and order situations or violence, that will be dealt accordingly. Otherwise, that particular point will be relaxed.
Can you tell us that 144 section will be only involved in polling count?
That counting area.
So not outside?
Not outside. So now that, as I said, that point number 5, which applies to entire East Kasif district, will be revoked, and all other points will remain. So additional security measures, in fact, in the entire polo area, as we know that it is as per the protocol that law and order has to be maintained. The deployment of CAPF, state police forces will be there to ensure that counting is done peacefully. At the very same time, so as I said, as we had a discussion with the political parties, so we have taken enough measures to ensure that these victory processions should not turn out to be should not lead to any of the untoward incidents. So that kind of measures we have taken by, in fact, closely working with all stakeholders, including the political parties and traditional institutions and other stakeholders, so that we will ensure that no untoward incident mars our entire election process.
So any undertaking by the parties that if when they happen, they will be less responsible?
Yes, in fact, they should. In fact, this is a collective responsibility. As I said, this is a collective responsibility. But we have an assurance from their side that they will take all measures to ensure that their rallies will be peaceful.